What's up, guys? It's now the morning. We're supposed to be leaving for California here pretty soon. My car is outside. I gotta put the skirts on. I gotta put the lip on before I can leave. But I'm gonna get some breakfast first. What's going on, guys? So today is the morning that I have to leave for California. However, there are a few things that I need to do. So you guys saw in the last video, I got the skirts and the rear lip painted for the IS300. They're not installed yet though. They dried overnight and they're looking super good. But now I have to put them on before I get on the road. And so that's gonna be fun. It's nice and cold and wet outside. Luckily it's not raining, so we won't have to worry about that. But let's go see what the finished product looks like. Look at that. Look at that. God, that's beautiful. Honestly, it all came out a lot better than I expected. But with that being said, let's get these out and see if we can put them on the car. That looks so aggressive. Oh my god, that's sick. That's so dope. That looks way better. That looks way better. Alright, so I'm going to do a couple more things to make sure that it's completely secure down to the car. And then we should be pretty close to getting ready to heading out. I'm just going to have to pack all my camera gear and all that kind of stuff so that I'll be ready when I do get down to California to do all kinds of stuff. But yeah, so this is gonna be a fun day. We're probably gonna drive, I'd say, about 10 hours, maybe 15 hours. The drive to LA is quite long and treacherous, and I'm not really stoked for it, but if I get too tired, I might just stop at Sacramento and get a hotel there for the night, then drive the rest of the way the next day. But we'll see, we'll see. All in all, what do you guys think of what the car looks like? I think it looks sick. I do kind of want to black out that little piece right there. I think it would tie in with my roof quite a bit better. And I'm kind of a little bit debating blacking out the cutouts on the side skirts also. But we'll see. That'll probably be in the future. Gotta get some knifeless tape. I don't actually have any on me. But soon we'll be able to wrap those black and get this thing looking absolutely amazing. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish getting ready and we'll get on the road. Alright, that took way too long, but we are completely ready. Here's the car. Oh god, she looks good, guys. She looks fucking good. I'm so stoked about this. So, I got all my stuff packed. I got pretty much clothes in that bag and anything that I would ever need if any of the cars break down. I don't really foresee anything going wrong with my car because she's a fucking tank. Knock on wood. But the other one is a little bit untested as of now, so I just want to make sure that we're prepared in case of anything. But yeah, let's get on the road. I think I'm gonna go get something to eat first and then we'll get on this journey. This is 15 hours, guys, 15 hours. Also, the thing that I picked up at Amazon yesterday, this suction cup camera mount. This is a beefy boy. 6-inch suction cup, right? Check this shit out. And just like that, a place to put you guys while I'm driving. So this suction cup mount is meant to be able to hold 66 pounds. It's like way overkill for my camera and it's fucking badass. I'm so stoked about it. Like this thing, I could probably put my camera outside of my car and this thing would still hold it. I don't want to do that, but like I probably could. Let's get on the fucking road. A couple things have come to mind now that I'm leaving for this little road trip. So I've got to drive 15 hours, right? And since the pandemic's going on, I don't really think there's many public restrooms open. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I had some excessively spicy Thai food last night, and I feel like that's gonna hit me like a freight train in a little while. So also, with all of the shit that I have packed in this thing, the coils are sitting a little bit lower. At least in the rear, my wheel gap is tight. Like I'd say non-existent. So hopefully we'll get there without scraping too much. My rears are rolled pretty well, so I don't think I'll have really any issues except for like super massive bumps, but I'll try to avoid them. However, if anybody is gonna ride in my car on the way back, that might present some issues. So we'll see how it goes, but I think it should be good. I haven't heard any rubbing yet, and I've hit some pretty good bumps, but we'll see. I got my McDonald's for the road, little Mac muffin. I'm set. Hey Bixby, can you give me a map to LA? Hey Bixby, start route. 15 hours and 2 minutes. If I did it all today in one shot, I'd be there at 1:30 a.m. Stop. Eugene, here it comes. We are 2 hours into this endeavor. 2 out of 15 hours into this endeavor, and I'm not tired. I'm good for now. I'm chilling, you know? But this is gonna drag some ass, dude. This is gonna drag some ass. Alright, so we made our first stop in Eugene. It's approximately halfway through Oregon. Oregon's like half of what we have to go in California, so we'll see. This is gonna take a long time. Well, nothing to it but to do it. Let's go. So this is marking the 3rd hour of my trip. It's crazy. Last time I did a trek this long in a car, I was going down to Sacramento for a concert, and so I drove the Eclipse down there, all the way there and all the way back. And dude, that was the craziest fucking time. So I drove it down one day, right? We stayed at a hotel the 2 nights of the concert or whatever, and then my girlfriend at the time had to work the day after the concert. The day after the concert at like probably 11 o'clock in the morning. So we get out of this concert, it was probably 11, midnight, somewhere around there. I have to hop in my car, drive all the way back to Washington from Sacramento, which is like a good 10 hours, with no stops, no stopping, or else she would be late to work. Well, she just slept in the passenger seat, and oh my god, that was probably the worst thing I've ever done. I think I drank 4 20-ounce Red Bulls in the entire span of that drive, and I was absolutely wired. It was ridiculous. It was probably pretty unsafe, but she would not call out of work, so let's just say that relationship didn't really last a long time. Passing through Medford now. Should be out of Oregon here pretty soon. Oh my god. Starting to look like California, baby. Alright boys, we officially made it. We're in California now. We're pretty much right past the border of California and Oregon, and taking a little break, stretching the legs out a little bit because I'm tired of fucking driving. I've been sitting in that car for like 4 or 5 hours now, but look at it. You already know what it is, boys. Gonna eat good tonight. Oh God, okay. Been on the road too long, boys. I'm currently in Redding, California, about 180 miles away from Sacramento. I think Sacramento's where I'm gonna stop tonight. I checked my phone, and if I were to do the entire trek all the way out of LA, I'd be there at like 2 in the morning. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna do the like 2 to 3 more hours to Sacramento, and then find hotels, get some sleep. Then in the morning, should mob out to LA, see if I can hit Angeles Crest to get some photos. That'll be fucking sweet. And then I'll meet up with Ben and all the boys, and we'll get into the exciting stuff of this trip. The actual, not the main reason, but like the main reason for coming down here. Yeah, so I'm gonna scarf down on one of these bad boys and get back on the road again. I don't understand how long haul truckers do this. This shit sucks. Gotta love those coilovers. Gotta love those fucking max speeding rod coilovers. This is bouncy as shit.
I'm trying to touch the States this time. 2021. Gotta show them I can still rap though. Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out.
Well, alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This entire week I'm going to be posting pretty much daily about my entire trip down to California to pick up a little mystery car. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know about this car, so if you don't, make sure to go follow me at Irvin Ortega _. Hope you guys are liking the content. Make sure to let me know what you guys think about the new side skirts and lip. I think they look amazing. And stay tuned, there's going to be a lot more coming up. Am I going to end up finding a public restroom? Are we going to pick up the car with no issues? Is anything going to happen to my car on the way? You'll just have to stay tuned and see. I'll see you guys next time.